Hey, welcome to the farm! Okay, so basically I'm going to tell you how to reload the filament on this thing. So all you do is super simple. You go down here to this display, you press the second button. Here you have your first extrusion, here's your second extrusion material. We're going to replace the first one today. So click on that, you click literally just unload, and then it does a bunch of stuff. You can see it's going to bring the nozzle over there, and then in about a minute's time it will, you can see it's going. It's ejecting all that filament. So here it is. It ejects it completely. In the front it says remove existing spool. We did that, we can confirm. We're gonna wait a second. This takes a little bit, so okay, we can press load. And then if you wanted to do both of these steps in one, you just press change instead of unload and then load. It's the same thing. Now they want me to place a new spool. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back here. We can take this out. You can see it's kind of a weird thing to finagle, but you just pop this up and out. You can see that your material spool, you want the part facing the machine to have this liner. We're going to pop it out, and we're going to replace it with our next spool, which is going to be a red tough PLA. Let me just find the end of that. And here it is. When you take it out of the packaging, just make sure that it's not tied, it's not like looping under any of this because it will cause problems. So you see you want this side in, and you place that here. And then this part goes through this little loop. Make sure everything is lined up. And then this slides on over. Actually, it's easier if you take it out and pop it in there first, and then you push this in. So it's a little bit loose, but it's actually on there. Normally when you have the ends, they're a little bit bent. You want to make sure they're kind of straight, because we're going to open this latch. Now the gears on the inside are parted so that we can insert this. There's a little hole at the bottom that you can feel. You're just going to want to wiggle this up. Sometimes it is a little bit too curved, so you want to straighten it out a little bit. Another pro tip, I'll show you maybe a little bit later. So we just insert it a little bit, and then we close the lever again. Now we want the machine to register what specific material we've placed in here, so we can press confirm. It's now detecting the material that we placed in there. These are Ultimaker brand filaments, and so that's why it can detect. Gonna confirm this is the correct material. We've inserted it, and now you'll see in a little bit it's gonna rocket the filament into place, and we'll be done. So that takes a little bit of time. So actually this process is done. Good luck.